Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you a new feature in our BOQ estimating called linked recipes. Now, I'm going to start here on a BOQ estimate, and as you can see over here on the left, I don't yet have any recipes or BOQ items. So I'll jump into our exclusive widgets, and I'm going to select the Add Recipe widget. So here in the widget, I'm going to search for the Build a Trend recipes, and there you go, you can see I've got 3. On this top recipe here, you can see I've got 2 linked recipes. So if I click on that, it shows me that if I want to proceed with this recipe, the implementation and configuration, I may also want to consider the on-site training and the travel fees. Now, if I don't click those, but I select this one and then I choose this one because this is actually the on-site training, you can see it's automatically recognized that it's been selected. If I don't select it there, and I look at it this way and I go, yes, I do want to include that, I can also select it here, click on save, and it recognizes that it's automatically been selected. So you can select the recipes that you want. Now, the linked recipes are very useful if you have a lot of recipes over multiple pages. It means that you're never going to forget anything. You're always prompted on which recipes to consider. So when I now go through to next, and confirm my tax details and the charge out rates that I'm going to use and what estimate number. And there we go, there's my 3 recipes. Now, to create linked recipes, there's a new module that we've created called linked recipes. It's very simple to set up. You just create a linked recipe record, give it a name, link your parent and your child recipes, and pop in the reason for the link. And there we go, that's linked recipes.